Hi everyone, if you want to see how to do a Halloween cake, just watch. I'm Kim Cash and I'm making a cake for my son's birthday, and it's going to be a stripe cake. So I'm just now using I'm just crumb coating the cake, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. So here, I'll let you just watch. Okay, so now I'm going to go pop it into the fridge and let it chill. Okay, so now I'm going to do my final coat of frosting. Put it back in the fridge. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this ridged stainless steel and make my stripes. You want to press it in hard enough to take away the frosting. You might have to go around a couple times. And after I chill it in the fridge, then we'll put the orange on. Okay, so I took a little mold that has, let me bring it up close so you can see it. This mold that has little ghosts and little gravestones. And then I filled it with white chocolate, which was just white chocolate that I melted. And then I put them in the freezer. And now I'm just gonna pop them out. These are for the top of the cake. And I might dust some with, what is that stuff called? Glitter dust or edible glitter. First I'll want to trim these a little, get off the rough edges. How we get it on there. I'm just going to try to get it on there in a thick coat, and then we'll scrape it off. This comes out. So there's the stripes. Okay, so now I've got the extra frosting in this piping bag, and I like to use these mason jars. I'm just gonna go around the edges. Okay, so I've got my ghosts right here and my little tombstones. I'm just going to stick them in and support them with some frosting. Okay, so this is the scary part. Now I've got to take the cake and move it to the cake stand. And I've put a little dab of frosting in the middle to hold it in place once it's there. But you've got to be really careful not to drop it. And I almost do right over here. You'll see a little wobble right there. But now it's on the stand, and now I'm just going to decorate around the bottom. So I'm pushing it to stay. Ah, so scary. Ta-da! Okay, so here's the finished cake with the little ghosts and the gravestones that I made out of white chocolate. And the striping that I did, it's for my son's 33rd birthday. So now we're gonna have cake and eat it too. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween.